Hello everybody, welcome back to Hike. My name is Pranjal Jain. Today we are going to understand a question called Excel sheet column title. First of all, we are going to understand the question, then we are going to code this in. So watch the entire video. Alright, let's get started with the question. Given an integer column number, return its corresponding column title as it appears in an Excel sheet. So first of all, we are going to try to understand how it actually appears in the Excel sheet. So the first column is A, then we have a B moving till Z. So these are the first 26 columns. A is 1, B is 2, Z is 26. If you have to go to the 27th column, it is A, A. This is 27, A, B. This is 28. And like this, we go till A, Z. Then we have BA and so on. This is basically how this numbering goes on. It is somewhat very similar to converting a decimal number to a base 26 number because we have 26 different characters, right? So it is exactly working according to that. But there is just one difference. We do not have a zero in this number system. So how do we code this in? Look at the code very carefully now. All right, so let's start coding this in now. So initially we are going to take a string s. We're going to return this string as the answer. So it is initially empty. Now while this column number is greater than 0, if the column number is a multiple of 26, that means the character that we are looking for right now is z. So s now becomes equal to z plus s. We do a column number minus minus. Otherwise, if it is not a multiple of 26, if it is not a multiple of 26, we need to find out which character do we want to enter here. So here we will enter A plus column number mod 26 minus 1. For example, column number is 3. So A, B, C, we need to find out the character C. So column number that is 3, 3 mod 26 is equal to 3, 3 minus 1 is 2, A plus 2 is, A plus 1 is B, A plus 2 is C. So we have found out C. So this is how we are finding the letter that we need to find. At the end, we have to do column number divided by 26. This keeps on going until column number is greater than 0. At the end, we can simply return the string. So we need to add a semicolon here. So we have to typecast this before adding it to the string. Let's try to run this now. You can see all the test cases have passed. Let's submit this. So the solution has been accepted. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope it is understood what we have done over here. And if you like the video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks a lot. See you in the next video.